This is going to be a video tutorial on how to restore your default settings in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To restore your settings back to their default values, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go all the way down toward the bottom to where it says Reset Settings and click on Reset Settings. Now on the center pane it says Restore Settings to their default values. You want to click on that. A little dialog box will pop up. It says Reset Settings. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. You would click on Reset. I'm not going to reset my browser, so I'm not going to click on it. That is how you reset your settings to their default value in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.